The recently renovated Boston Pizza at Yonge and Sheppard in Toronto celebrated their new look with UFC 127 headlined by BJ Penn and John Fitch. The Fight Network, along with Grant Brothers MMA and Headrush brand, worked side by side to bring recognition to Boston Pizza's new facility and the growth of mixed martial arts in Ontario.
We joined forces with them, Snap Magazine, and Headrush Clothing. We came together to do a big event in conjunction with the airing of the UFC 127.
Boston Pizza's management, Grant Brothers MMA, and Headrush brand representatives tell us what it's like to promote the sport locally.
We're very, very, very excited to have everybody here. It's a great boost for all our MMA fans, so we're really excited this evening.
We're just trying to join the whole community involved, our people from the gym, outside members that come out to the restaurant, just everyone with the clothing line.
We want to come and give away product, basically promote brand awareness in Ontario.
Fight fans from all over the Greater Toronto area were in attendance and excited about the mixed martial arts action in a new environment.
Pizza's always good, beer's always cold, and honestly, fight night, you can't go wrong, right?
I always come here, you see some real MMA fans, and just people are crazy. That's
Enjoy the next UFC event at your local Boston Pizza. For locations and hours, visit bostonpizza.com.